Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to remove a payment method on Subway. Open the website subway.com, then click on the profile icon. Now, sign in with your email address and password. Once you're signed in, you will see another profile icon at the top right side of the screen. Click on the profile icon. Now, you will see an option for payment methods. Click on Payment Methods. Here you will see the list of your payment methods. Click on the Remove option beside the payment method you wish to remove. Then a pop-up message will appear asking, "Remove payment method?" To proceed, click on the Remove button. That's how you remove a payment method on Subway. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.